Navigate to the Applications folder and open Automator. A window will appear, and here you need to select New Document. Next, select Workflow and click Choose. You now need to create the workflow for Automator to carry out. In the Actions toolbar, type to search for Get Specified Finder Items. Then drag and drop this into the workflow. You now need to add the files that you want to rename. You can drag and drop all your selected files into the workflow like this. Alternatively, you can click the Add button to navigate and find the files you want to add. Next, in the Actions toolbar, you need to search for Rename Finder Items. Drag and drop this below the first item in the workflow. Finder may prompt you here to create a copy of your files to keep their original names. Here, we're not going to create a copy, so we click Don't Add. In the Rename Finder Items window, change the Add Date or Time option to Make Sequential, and then click New Name and type in the name that you want to give to all of your files. Automator also gives you various options for the numbering system it applies. When you've chosen this, click Run, and Automator will run the workflow and rename all your files.